It's very, very simple. Before I started as a board member of this company, and I was really figuring out how can we become more data-driven as a scale-up. And I was considering tools like Clari, I was considering Gong, I was considering People.ai and a couple of other tools. And the thing that got me mostly excited when I truly understood the capabilities that Clari is bringing to the table now in 2022 versus 2015 when I used them for the first time, is that it's actually now a platform, and I can combine all of those three technology platforms, as I just mentioned, into one single platform, which makes it simple for adoption because there's one place, single source of truth. It makes it very easy for us to figure out, are we on track towards the forecast, and should we be within the 5 to 10% accuracy of forecasting that we aspire to become or to be at. And when you have everything centered in one tool, whether it's the Align product to see where we are in the closing phases or the joint evaluation plan, or if it's listening into wingman calls to enable teams combining with a technology like Crayon, where we are ultimately popping up a competitive intel. So if a competition is mentioned on a call, we have a functionality together with Clari where if that competitor is mentioned on a wingman call, there are battle cards popping up on the screen, which again is a part of like, how are we going to make the Salesforce beat productive capacity and time to ramp. And that's probably one of those biggest things that gets me most excited about how technology can fuel the ramping of existing and also new reps, because we're focusing a lot on training and enablement on for the entire go-to-market team.